Did you know that Facebook uses design tricks to make you share more data than you would like to? This is the topic of this video. My goal is to help you protect your privacy and be more aware of what happens online. If you work on Facebook, these are some tips for your employer you can share with them and help them make their product more privacy enhancing. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you can be up to date with every new video that I will upload. The first topic that I would like to raise in this video is the audience selection. Let's say you're going to post something, and then you have to choose the visibility. So who is going to see your post? The default there in that window will be whatever you chose in the settings. What's the problem? The audience of a certain post, it depends. Maybe you want to post that you just published a book. You wrote a book, you really want to share it with the world. It makes sense to share it publicly. But then the next post that you want to share is something very intimate, something that is going on in your mind, maybe a mental health struggle that you had. And it's not obvious that everyone will remember to change the audience. It's not mandatory. If you chose in the past public, you will post about your mental health publicly. Anyone that searches you online, searches your Facebook page, will find that. From a privacy perspective, that does not make sense. We are very contextual beings. Some posts we might want to share publicly to the world, but most posts we want to share with some friends. So this visibility menu that Facebook offers us makes you share everything with a much larger audience than it would make sense in real life. From a privacy enhancing point of view, Facebook should ask you before every post, what is the desired audience? And Facebook should only allow you to post before you actively choose for that specific post what's the desired audience. Next, I want to make a general comment about how difficult it is to delete things. So let's say you want to delete a post. You have to click on the button, move the item to the trash, and then the item will be for 30 days in the trash. I don't know the reasoning behind this, but it's a bit strange. Why can't I just delete now? I don't want it to stay 30 days in the trash. Second, try to delete everything you posted in groups, public groups, private groups, secret groups. It is very difficult. Let's say you were unemployed, so you were posting around in different groups to try to find a job. And then you find a job. Now that you have a job, you don't want that information to be up there anymore. Even if you go on activity log, you have to go one by one, every group, and delete the post. Why doesn't Facebook allow you to do bulk deletions? To say, click here to delete everything that you posted from this day to this day. Why doesn't Facebook offer more options for you to delete your past data? Research has shown that people regress. They post something and it's so contextual and so momentaneous that they regret it and they want to delete. But Facebook does not facilitate that. So why is that? Why does Facebook want to keep collecting your data and keep it there and make it difficult for you to delete what doesn't make sense for you anymore? Another comment I would like to make is regarding Reels. So Reels are a reaction to TikTok. So TikTok came with short form videos, and then Instagram started doing short form videos, and then now Facebook, everybody can have Reels. Reels are a different form of video. So if you post Reels, they go to the world. They don't stay within your network. Facebook does not make it clear. It puts side by side Reels and Stories. Stories is something that disappears after 24 hours. Reels, they don't disappear. They are made to go viral, like TikTok. It's very misleading. Why doesn't Facebook explain the difference? When it pushes you to create a reel, it should be somewhere, it should be written that reels, they're going to be showed to other people that use the same song or to other people that are interested about the same topics as you. I don't know exactly what the algorithm is, but reels are not made only for your friends. And it's not clear for the user. In a privacy enhancing perspective, it should be much more clear what's behind reels. Next comment I'd like to make is regarding Facebook profile. So you go there and there is a blank field written what's on your mind. And then you click on it. You can write a post, a text post, or you can choose a video or a photo from your personal file to share with the world. This is so strange. Once you upload to the internet, anyone can download it, take a screenshot, save it, and re-upload. Once you upload something, you lose control over it. So it calls my attention how simple it is to take something from your personal folder. It takes you just a click to take it and share with the world, and you lost control forever. Facebook treats it as something very trivial. Imagine the user mental model. Imagine in real life. It would mean that you're taking something from your house, from your private sphere, put it on your window, say, hey, everybody, neighbors, come see my picture, come see my video. Or you're screaming, you're taking a megaphone and say, hey, everyone, I want to post something about my mental health. You would never do that. World has changed now. We deal differently with our private stuff versus public. But I'm not sure the idea of private space and public space has changed so much. We need some things to be private. Sharing our personal lives, our personal stuff with the world is not the natural attitude. But Facebook and other social networks, they make sound like it is super trivial. No questions asked. What's in our mind? Share with the world. What I'm basically explaining here, using Facebook as an example, is privacy-enhancing design. This is a framework that I've proposed to help companies, designers, product managers, developers, to implement privacy in their daily work. So basically, I show that anything that deals with data, you can do with privacy, and you can design features with privacy in mind, and replicating users' mental model and help people to protect their privacy. If you're interested in the topic and you want to learn more, you can sign up for my course about privacy-enhancing design. The link is in the description of this video. If you're a designer, a lawyer, product manager, developer, anyone working with tech, working with data online, this course is for you. So click in the link and sign up for the course. If you think this topic is very theoretical, far away from reality, you're very wrong. So the US started to legislate about dark patterns. The EU just issued a report about dark patterns. By the way, they cited my taxonomy for dark patterns in privacy. You can read the report here in the description of this video. So data protection law is starting to pay attention to design. Lawmakers are starting to realize that if you don't look at the design and try to ban manipulation and all these tactics and tricks that I'm showing here that make us share more data, if we don't regulate it, users are never going to be protected. So if you're a company, if you're a professional, be aware, this is going to be the future. It's time for you to start learning to implement privacy. I would love to hear your feedback. Please let me know what other companies you want me to analyze, what other type of analysis you want me to make. If you want to go more into details of the design aspects or the product aspects, don't forget to subscribe, like, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!